Tell me when to stop, you know.
That good.
You sure that's enough?
Yes, that's enough.
Okay, no problem. Well, a little something for me. Welcome back to How to Foodie Nation, and we're digging into some granola crusted tuna balls featuring Sunshine Cereal's Granola Crunch. So let's get crunching. So we're into some party foods today?
Yes.
We're getting a little creative.
So I like this recipe because you can make sandwiches with it. You can serve it with a little dip at a party.
Yeah.
You know, you could have it at a little movie night. So I really like this. It is vegetarian. There's also some gluten-free options that you can explore with this. It's very versatile. But today we're doing the sweet and spicy kind of version.
And we, of course, are using the most versatile product.
Yes.
Granola. Easy for snacking, because I grab a pack of this and I am going in all day long. Or breakfast.
Yes.
But now we are using it for party foods. It's savory, not just sweet.
No, we are going to get some nice sweet elements because this one has cranberry in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to process some of the cereal into the processor there. And you're going to bring this down to like one smooth, grainy consistency.
Okay, so tell me how much of this it needs to go in here.
3/4.
Tell me when to stop, you know.
That good.
You sure that's enough?
Yes, that's enough.
Okay, no problem. Well, a little something for me. Good? And we just got it in the pot.
Let me see.
How you feeling?
Right, we need to do it a little more because it's still seeing some big chunks in there. So just a little
Okie dokie.
bit.
How about now?
Give me like 3 more.
A little again?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'll count to 3. Let's go. That was a slow 3.
Yes, but that looks good.
You sure?
Yes.
All
if
right.
you don't have a food processor, you can put this in a bag and just kind of take your rolling pin and crush it out.
Roll away.
Yeah.
All
that
right.
will work too. But this
And
is
we
faster.
set this aside.
Yes.
Got it. All right, ma'am.
Perfect.
What's next?
So we set this aside, and then we start making all of this together.
Okay.
All right. So are you stirring today?
I am the stirrer today.
All right. So first we have some tuna. This is tuna in water.
All right.
So we start there. And then we season.
Okay.
Season red onions.
I imagine this is going to be a colorful treat.
Of course.
I mean,
when I come, I have to bring the color. I have to bring the color for you.
have to.
Some pimento peppers.
Right?
Yes. And I chose the red ones. And I really like the combination of tuna and celery.
Okay.
Especially the stalks of the celery. It gives it a nice crunch. It adds texture. And of course, we're using the granola today. And that is going to give you some texture as well.
This is definitely going to be a fantastic bite. You made such a good point with that granola and all the celery.
That and some more seasoning. This is some Chive and Chadon Beni.
This is looking like a very healthy tuna bowl. Very, very healthy. We have fiber in that granola, and then we come in with all these wonderful veggies and greens. So good.
Some garlic here.
All right, get it all mixed.
Ginger is optional. I just like a little.
I know you like a little.
On a ginger thing.
A little tickle in the back of the throat. I know you like that.
Right. So this is the spicy part.
Okay.
Your favorite pepper sauce.
I mean, come
or
on.
Or you can just cut some fresh Scotch bonnet.
And go right in.
I'm always in favor of using your favorite pepper sauce because it just kind of makes it more of your own.
Okay.
All right. I'm going to add a little lime juice to this.
Why do you use lime with fish?
Well, fish has a kind of a fresh, smell and kind of flavor. So, and that really just kind of takes care of that freshness.
Okay.
When we're in the Caribbean, we like to wash the meat, and it gives it a nice flavor as well.
Got it.
Right, so that's some black pepper.
This is well seasoned, friends. Well seasoned.
And some salt. There we go. All right, so to bring all of this together, I'm adding some eggs.
Okay.
And you mix.
Mix. Get a nice workout going. I know you set me up for this, but I do not mind. We love learning in here.
Right, so sometimes people put flour into this, and
Okay.
if you want it to be gluten-free, you can just leave out the flour.
Right.
Right? Another version that you can try is adding some mashed potato to hold it together.
Mashed potatoes, you say?
Just boil a little potato on the side if you want to replace the egg.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
How are we looking here?
They're looking good. Right, let me just check the consistency.
Please and thank you.
Right. So we get everything together. Right. And
Nice,
now,
man.
with clean hands, I make...
I was gonna say, whose clean hands? Your clean hands?
my clean hands.
Sure.
So what we need is a baking tray, a greased baking tray.
Let me grab that for you.
Right. And then I have some beaten eggs right here.
Okay.
My granola.
Please.
Close by. So you're just going to take a nice handful, form a ball like this.
Right.
Nice and light and happy.
Easy peasy.
Yes, and then you roll it about in the egg. Make sure and get all coated.
Right.
Right, and then over into your granola.
And just cover it on up.
Yes.
And I love how we see all the little chunks of raisins and cranberries studding our granola. That's gonna add a little sweetness for the sweet and spicy tuna balls.
Yes, and there we go.
Very nice.
And this goes into the oven and you bake it up, so then the crust is going to be even crispier coming out to the oven, and you serve it with a really nice dip.
Would you like some assistance
Sure.
in making these balls?
Of course.
Guys, we're gonna finish out the rest of these, and then come back with this in the oven. So excited to try these tuna balls. I mean, I just love that we could see all those great cranberries and raisins studded all over them. And of course, I want to taste that crunch from the granola crunch.
I think we're getting an extra special crunch.
I think so too. Shall we try?
Of course.
Well, you know, I must go for the one in the front here that's covered in cranberries and raisins. Look how pretty, guys. So nice. So, a little break. Ooh, so good on the inside. So good.
Full of things.
Full of things. And this is our garlic mayo that we made before in an episode. Be sure to check it out. The recipe is in the link in the description bar. So, you waited on me.
Cheers. So yes, of course.
Cheers, my friend.
It is good. Cranberries are giving like a perfect sweetness.
My mouth's so full I can't even. I love. This is an excellent recipe for the Lenten season. I mean, if you're not a fan of meat or if you're observing Lent, then for sure you gotta try these. Perfect way to use our granola crunch.
Yes.
I wanna eat some more. I don't want to stop.
They're all here for you.
Yeah. For me?
For us.
For us. Sharing is
This
caring.
is one of my favorite recipes, so.
Excellent recipe. Definitely worth a try. If you do make these, be sure to tag us when you do. Show us. We love seeing things from you guys and we love hearing from you. So until next time, Arlene, bye-bye.
Bye.